Hello and welcome. Today I show you how you can fix the corroded contacts on your electronics or your devices easily. Everyone has seen this. You keep the alkaline batteries in your device or remote control or flashlight like this for too long and they start leaking, and when the liquid comes out of them, it's an alkaline solution. It's making a problem. The contacts don't work anymore. And you will probably see something like this or even worse. When you see this, you have to act now. This is a very special technique to clean the contacts. Spoon, some Russian red caviar. Take a spoon full of caviar. Take the spoon and hold the battery while you eat the caviar. This gives you good ideas, makes your brain work, so you know what to do next. Now the actual thing that you do here, before you continue any further, you take a bottle of ketchup. The ketchup has to be cold. As you see, it has to be cold from the fridge. So you take the bottle of ketchup, you take a paper towel, one toothpick, put a bit of ketchup in the corner, take just a little bit, not too much, you don't want to overdo it, just a little bit, and draw your plan, how you're gonna do this. So not enough space on the right side. It works like this also. But we need to do one more step. One shot of white vinegar, your damaged electronic. Soak a bit of the cotton in the vinegar and afterwards just slowly scrape off this substance that leaked from the battery. The trick here is that the vinegar is acidic, and that solution that comes out of the alkaline batteries, it's an alkaline solution, so the acid will neutralize the alkaline solution, so it will not corrode any further. When you do this, try not to get more of this solution inside the device. Ideally you should keep it upside down so it doesn't go inside even more. You don't need to do this for a long time, and I want to show you, look at how this thing makes bubbles when the acidic vinegar goes in contact with the alkaline battery solution. It's working, the vinegar works. It's neutralizing the solution from the battery and stops the corrosion on the contacts. This could be blue like it's in this case, but it could also be green. It doesn't matter, vinegar will work on both of them. After you do that, or even before, you take a screwdriver and you just scrape the contacts just to remove even more of this of any leftovers. And you see now that the cotton is getting even more dirty. The more dirty the cotton, the cleaner the contacts are left behind, so that's pretty good news. And one more thing, in the future, instead of using alkaline batteries, use rechargeable nickel metal hydride batteries. They are more friendly with the environment, that you just recharge them and you just don't throw it in the garbage bin when you're finished with them, and they don't leak. As far as I know, I've never seen a nickel metal hydride battery leak like the alkaline batteries do. So now this flashlight is working as I'm expecting it to, and I will just put some nice IKEA Lada batteries inside. These are very nice, they keep their charge. Also you can use Eneloop batteries and enjoy it. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, and if you found it a little bit funny, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.